Alright, well here's our 1956 Axeman Anderson 130M that was modified by William T. Storey. We're going to be taking this thing apart and cleaning it up and getting it back into running condition. We're probably going to undo a few of his modifications, but some of them I think we're going to keep. Well, we'll know more about that when we get it all apart, because we're still kind of assessing what kind of condition the modifications made this thing into. Some of them might not be such a great idea, but more on that later. But this is it. It's he likes to paint them white for some reason. This is it. The cat is very interested in it too, because it makes heat. She likes things that make heat. Here's a shot of the data plate. See, it's stamped 1956. It's a 130M. Means 130,000 BTUs per hour. And it's H stamped, so that means it's inspected and passed the ASME test. But yeah, over the next few weeks we're going to be working on this thing and trying to get it up into working shape. It's pretty good condition-wise. They must have refurbed it when they did it. They did things like they changed the way the grate rollers mount, and he put this big box on here to mount a gear motor to drive the auger, and he also used the gear motor mounted in here to drive the ashing, as well as the normal fan that drives the fan. I mean the normal motor that drives the fan. So there's some of the modifications. This one also has what looks like a 260M ashing assembly in it. Gonna look at that. That's it. I'm told that is a 260 ashing assembly. That's much bigger than a 130. And it also has bigger grate rollers in it with actual bearings in them, so that's different. Main repair we have to do to this thing is the bottom of the fire chamber was burned out and not repaired very well, so this boiler will be making a trip to the welder. There's one of these big grate rollers. This is this here's the gear motor for driving the ashing. Not sure what RPM it puts out, but it's really slow. You know, it's probably 0.02 RPM or something like that. And this is the gear motor that does the auger, and this is listed as a 56 RPM motor. Well, 56 RPM out of the chain drive, and this is the fan motor. Just a standard Axeman fan motor with 5-inch pulley on it. So that's some of the other stuff. The post hat there. Fire door, top of the auger cage. And that's that. The next project has begun.